kids! Welcome to Amazing Tiny Stars. Let's explore tasty, colorful fruits and learn their names together. Apple. Apple. Apricot. Apricot. Avocado. Avocado. Banana. Banana. Blackberries. Blackberries. Black currant berries. Black currant berries. Blueberries. Blueberries. Breadfruit. Breadfruit. Cherries. Cherries. Coconut. Coconut. Cranberries. Cranberries. Custard apple. Custard apple. Dates. Dates. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Fig. Fig. Gooseberries. Gooseberries. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Grapes. Grapes. Guava. Guava. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. Jujube. Jujube. Kiwi. Kiwi. Lemon. Lemon. Lime. Lime. Lychee. Lychee. Mango. Mango. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. Mulberries. Mulberries. Muskmelon. Muskmelon. Olives. Olives. Orange. Orange. Papaya. Papaya. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Peach. Peach. Pear. Pear. Pineapple. Pineapple. Plum. Plum. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomelo. Pomelo. Rambutan. Rambutan. Sapodilla. Sapodilla. Starfruit. Starfruit. Strawberry. Strawberry. Raspberry. Raspberry. Tamarind. Tamarind. Tangerine. Tangerine. Tomato. Tomato. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Rose apple. Rose apple. Watermelon. Watermelon. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Amazing Tiny Stars.